Actually, the new version of SharePoint 2016 that is coming out next year, it was the principal reason why I'm here. And also to meet the community and the product group of SharePoint and Office 365, where there are a lot of friends of mine that are working in. Actually, the most exciting thing was what Satya didn't say, actually, because he didn't mention SharePoint 2016 at all. That's because it's becoming the fundamental of all the other products that are on the cloud. So in the future, I will see that there will not be SharePoint anymore, even if SharePoint will be everywhere. Yeah, it's a little bit, let's say, strange for my customer and for me, because actually you don't have the control of the entire platform. That is the pro and the cons for this. The pro is that you don't have to care about issue that you can have on the data center or on your network anymore. The worst thing is that you feel not confident, maybe, that what Microsoft is doing is exactly what you want. But in the time we saw that the uptime of the infrastructure is actually good, and we have only few problems during these years. So it's just a matter of adapting, and also the fact that you don't know, you cannot customize as you want. You have to standardize your procedure. You have to standardize your way to work, and not only not to fix, for example, to the branding that maybe you can do in a more interesting way on-prem, but that on Office 365 you cannot do so fashion, let's say. Actually, as I said before, it's just a way of adapt. When you are installing the farm on-prem, I'm talking about SharePoint because this is my actually previous focus. When you are installing the farm on-prem, you have to take care of the network, of the IOPS of the server, and so on. It's just another way to do the same thing on the cloud, for example, with Azure and Infrastructure as a Service. There are different boundaries that you have to take care, but it's not requiring a particular skill just related with the Azure. You just need to know which one are the boundaries and just migrate what you know on the cloud. Microsoft adopted this new method that is the user voice that help the people to ask for feature for the product. Is for Office 365, is for Azure, is for SharePoint itself, and this is a great thing. What probably Microsoft can do is to give access to more people, as we are doing right now for my company, to the previous release, to the release of the product in an early way. So maybe during the development of the platform, even if the platform is not ready yet, that will help, because the people can work, let's say, with Microsoft to create the better product ever. Okay, moving to the cloud is actually something that makes a lot of advantages for companies. As I said before, you don't need an infrastructure anymore. Novadia, for example, is totally on the cloud. My company is totally on the cloud. We don't have any server, but at the same time, we have all the infrastructure that we need. Without the delay that you can have when you have to provide hardware, you have to provide software, install software. The platform is there. It just need to be used, and just to adopt this new concept that everything is outside your data center. Actually, I'm an MVP. This is 4 years in a row. I'm a Microsoft certified master on SharePoint 2007 and 10. And I'm also a blog writer. I have my blog, I have my page on Facebook and on Twitter that you can follow. And the same are doing my colleagues. So actually what we are doing is promoting and just as a family sharing our knowledge with the community that is actually in Italy and in Switzerland, because we like to write in Italian because we like to support our language.